A lot of people is celebrating freedom today, but still wake up stuck tomorrow. Happy July the 4th. While people are celebrating freedom and independence, I want to ask you something deeper. What if 2025 could be the year you gain a completely different kind of freedom? Hey, this is Chuntianle. I'm a best-selling author and a visionary leader in the world of music and art known as New Power Art. I compose music, I play piano, I sing my own song, and I'm a soprano. I love spring too. I help artists to build your brand and increase your income, impact, and influence. To be freedom is not just freedom from control and rules, but freedom you can write your own chapter, and you can create what you love and share your story, your voice, and create influence and build the real impact. And finally, turn your creativity into income and independence and influence, income, and impact. Do you want to get that? These past years, I have already helped artists like you and a creator to go from being overlooked, overwhelmed, to become powerful voice and with purpose. Now I'm building something bigger in 2025. In 2025, I'm launching new global project, event, and a program designed to lift a voice like you, the artist like you, to help you to share your story, share your voice and your platform, and reach people who are waiting for your message. Imagine what could you happen. You stop waiting and you start building. Imagine a year where your creativity lead the way. If the message spark you, inspire you, follow me, subscribe, comment, leave the comment below. Because the next chapter is just beginning. Now, let me recap what I said today. People are celebrating freedom today, but a lot of people still wake up stuck tomorrow. And 2025 is in the middle of 2025 now. A lot of people celebrate independence and freedom. But I ask you something deeper. What if 2025 could be the year that gain a completely different kind of freedom? And this kind of freedom is not just freedom from control and freedom from the rule, from the government rule. It's freedom you can write your own chapter. You can share your voice, your story, and you can share your platform. And in 2025, in the past year, I have already helped artists like you to go from the overlooked, overwhelmed to the powerful voice. And in 2025, I get something bigger. I launched a big project, event, or I can say the program. and help more artists like you to share the voice and turn from creativity to income, to build your influence, income, and impact. What if you stop waiting, you start building your influence, impact, and increase your income? And what if you start now, you write your own chapter? If my message inspires you, comment below. Subscribe and turn on the bell. And it will help help this video to reach more audience and help more people. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. And follow me, because the next chapter is beginning. Is just beginning. Happy Independence Day. Let's not just remember history today. Let's start creating. Let's start creating your future. Write the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.